Hello everybody, this is Daniel from China Gadgets Reviews. In this video we'll test the video capabilities of UMIDIGI S2 Pro smartphone, this one. Okay, to do that we'll launch the Antutu Video Tester 3.0. This is the very first run. I'll let you see the entire benchmark, so you have to wait about 6 or 7 minutes the benchmark to finish. Okay, let's start. Enjoy. Okay, the benchmark is over. This firmware version fully supported 13 video and audio different codecs files, partially supported 8 items and not supported 9 items. And the score is 768 points. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.